Everyone, welcome. As many of you know, Mr. Akers expects us to make a big project for physics based on a certain topic that we elect. But I said, fuck that shit, because I am not about to do any labor work. Instead, what I have done is that I have made a mini Socorro High School within this capsule. This capsule is full of nanobots that will help me demonstrate all of 3 laws of motion based on my topic. This Socorro High School contains nanobots, which will help me demonstrate all 3 of Newton's laws. And now, by using this microscope, I will be able to look inside and demonstrate every single one of Newton's 3 laws of motion. Now, I just simply place it here, and then I will look forward just like this.
Alright, so here we see Nano Carlos Nano 2D playing football. Wait a minute, what happened? Well, you see, what happened was, Nano 2D was moving at a constant speed, and he was not about to change. That was until Nano Eric was on the way, and he slammed him right down, stopping his train of motion. That right there is law number 1.
Alright, so that was just one example, but if we twist the knob just a little bit, we'll have a different view and I'll be able to explain it differently.
Alright, so think of a soccer ball. It is an object that is staying put, but when it's kicked, it's put into motion.
I guess this example goes double-wise. The ball was in motion, but it was stopped by Jose Barraza. By...
Alright, so scientifically, the relationship between an object's mass, its acceleration, and the applied force is F equals ma. Acceleration and force are vectors. In this law, the direction of the force vector is the same as the direction of the acceleration vector.
Alright, so think of weights. The weight right here is heavy, so when you apply force to it, it accelerates at a very slow motion, but it is still able to move. That is the second law of motion. The face. Still don't get it, I will give you a different example. Alright, so in case you still don't get it, think of a basketball. The weight of the basketball is its mass, and then when you put a force to it, you send it across, going into the basket.
Alright, so finally, the third law. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal or opposite reaction. Everything happens for one common cause.
Basically, what the third law says is that cause and effect. Everything happens for one reason. One thing happens and it leads to another thing. You get me what I'm saying?
You know, I would use the nanobots, but this example reminds me more of the time when I went golfing.
If you still don't understand, think of a tennis player. When the tennis player throws the ball in the air, it is in one motion. However, when he hits it with the racket, the ball is thrown. The end.